welcome to RestoMods.com.
What's going on, guys? We got a little surprise here at the RestoMods garage. We bought a car. It's in there. You're gonna see in a minute.
So now that you've seen it in person, what are your first impressions right off the bat?
It's got great bones.
Great bones.
Definitely needs a little work.
That's what we do here at RestoMods, though.
Some of us.
That on camera.
I love the seats though. Look at that anniversary edition. Charger seats.
That's rad.
I think they're
Roll cage.
same ones we had, yeah.
The Hurst shifter. So there it is, you guys. 1970 Dodge Charger. All right, guys. It's the next day here in the RestoMods garage, and Chris is gonna see if we can get this thing started here. So we're turning on all the switches.
Ignition on.
Ignition on.
Fix that, don't worry about that.
All right, first drive. Here we go. Feels good?
Yeah, it's pretty solid. Steering's a little aggressive, but
Yeah.
I think I'd have to see if this has that electric power steering.
First drive successful.
We did it again. We bought another Charger. We know you guys love these cars. We really love these cars. We love giving them away. This time we ended up buying a 70. So this car is a little bit different than the 69s we've given away, but same body style. Really awesome car. It's got a lot of neat touches. It's got a pretty nice interior, a roll cage. It's got kind of a neat custom dash. There's a few little things, cosmetic finishing touches we're gonna do. We're gonna get the dash cleaned up here in the center and a few little things like that. There's a few trim pieces we want to put on it in the back here. Tail light panel, we want to finish that out, but mostly cosmetic stuff. This car drivetrain is pretty dialed. It's got a big block. I believe it's a 383 that's been bored and stroked. Aluminum heads, fuel injection. It's got Wilwood disc brakes, all new suspension stuff. This car is really nice. It performs well. It's got a 4-speed, so bitchin' car. Can't wait to get this thing wrapped up into you guys. I think you're gonna love it. This car has just got a mean vibe to it, and of course it's a Charger. You can't go wrong with any Charger. Like always, we're making them better for you guys. We want to deliver the best car possible. So there it is. Stay tuned, because this will be a future sweepstakes giveaway car. And as always, make sure you check out RestoMods.com and get entered to win.